Print, email, Facebook, Twitter. More. Melania Trump undergoes embolization procedure to treat benign kidney condition. First Lady Melania Trump has undergone a successful procedure to treat a benign kidney condition and was expected to remain hospitalized for the rest of the week, her staff said. President Donald Trump took a helicopter to Walter Reed National Military Medical Center to visit her and tweeted that his wife was in good spirits. Ms. Trump, 48, had the embolization procedure on Monday morning, local time. The president spoke with Ms. Trump before the procedure and with her doctor afterward, the First Lady's office said. The president tweeted shortly before arriving at Walter Reed outside Washington, saying it was a successful procedure, describing his wife as being in good spirits and offering his thanks to all of the well-wishers. The president spent a little over an hour at the hospital with his wife before departing via motorcade under stormy skies. The White House did not offer any additional details on Ms. Trump's condition. In opening remarks in the Senate, Minority Leader Chuck Schumer sent well wishes for a speedy recovery to the First Lady. She was last seen in public on Wednesday at a White House event where she joined the president to honor military mothers and spouses for Mother's Day. Two urologists who have no personal knowledge of Ms. Trump's condition said the most likely explanation for the procedure was a kind of non-cancerous kidney tumor called an angiomyolipoma. They are not common but tend to occur in middle-aged women, and if they become large enough, they can cause problematic bleeding, said Dr. Keith Kowalczyk of MedStar Georgetown University Hospital. The treatment of choice is to cut off the blood supply so the growth shrinks, added Dr. Lambros Stamatakis of MedStar Washington Hospital Center. Doctors do that with an embolization, meaning a catheter is snaked into the blood vessels of the kidney to find the right one and block it. Most of the time, these benign tumors are found when people undergo medical scans for another reason, but sometimes people have pain or other symptoms, Dr. Kowalczyk said. Many times, embolization patients go home the same day or the next. The president had no public appearances scheduled and declined to answer shouted questions from reporters about how his wife was feeling as he departed the White House for Walter Reed. Surgery comes week after Be Best campaign launch media player, Space to Play, M to Mute, Left and Right to Seek, 0000:5400:000:54. The former model from Slovenia is Mr. Trump's third wife, and the couple has been married for 13 years. They have a 12-year-old son named Baron. Ms. Trump, who has been gradually raising her profile as First Lady, recently hosted her first state dinner and launched a public awareness campaign to help children. With the president watching, Ms. Trump last week unveiled the Be Best campaign, which she said will focus on childhood well-being, social media use and opioid abuse. The Trumps and their marriage have been under scrutiny in recent months after revelations that a porn actress was paid $130,000 in hush money to keep quiet about claims she had sex with Mr. Trump in 2006. Mr. Trump has acknowledged reimbursing his lawyer for the payment to porn star Stormy Daniels but denies her allegations. Separately, former Playboy model Karen McDougal has revived her allegations of a 10-month affair with Mr. Trump in 2006. Mr. Trump also denies the allegations. Ms. Trump has, at times, been noticeably absent from her husband's side, but both made a point of displaying affection during last week's Rose Garden event, where the First Lady announced her Be Best initiative. The First Lady lived full-time in New York during the administration's opening months so Barron would not have to change schools mid-year. She and Barron moved into the White House last June. AP Print, email, Facebook, Twitter.